ChatGPT can help create interactive quizzes for students in a dynamic and personalized way. Today I want to prepare for a quiz round for Scratch language. Help me by giving an interactive quiz. Okay, so this is how ChatGPT is going to ask you questions one by one and you have to write the answer. And then if the answer is correct, ChatGPT will ask you another question, and also it is explaining each answer. You can create different types of quizzes with ChatGPT and it reinforces your learning, your understanding, engage you more deeply with the topic that you are learning. So it is effective as well as enjoyable.